Hey guys, so I'm here to clean and maintenance the fireplace. At the end of winter, I actually vacuumed everything out inside. The outside is still very dusty and pretty dirty, and so I've got my solution of vinegar, water, and some paper towels. I like to use like a little cleaning toothbrush or like a cleaning sponge. So you can open it. I also have my gloves on because it gets really dirty. Spray it on the areas that you need to clean. That's already like really dirty. I found that the best way to clean the inside out was to get the shop vac in there, but you can scoop it out with a little scooper too, but it just really cleans it out nice. The other thing too is maintaining the chimney. You want to do this preferably in the spring or summer so then it's ready for next winter. You also can get better rates by calling somebody to clean out the chimney in the summer rather than in the winter because they will be busy then. I'm gonna keep cleaning this out and do the same with yours.